Samsung Galaxy A17 versus Samsung Galaxy A27. The Samsung A17 takes the lead here, being slimmer at 7.5mm compared to 7.8mm. At 192 grams, the A17 is lighter and more comfortable than the 200 grams model. Both devices feature a Super AMOLED display, making this category an equal tie. Neither phone supports it, resulting in a perfect tie. The A27 offers a smoother experience with its 120Hz refresh rate over 90Hz. With 1000 nits, the A27 screen is brighter outdoor than the 800 nit screen. Both models deliver an identical sharpness with 385 ppi. It is a tie. The A27 offers slimmer bezel with an 86.8% ratio against 86.0%. Both share a crisp 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution, another equal tie. With a spacious 6.7 inches display on both, it is a well-deserved tie. The A27 features stronger Gorilla Glass fixtures plus over the standard fixtures. Both run on a 2.4 GHz Cortex A7 8 processor, making performance perfectly balanced. The Exynos 1330 and Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 both win points, marking a tie. For gaming graphics, the Adreno 17 outperforms the Mali G68 AnTuTu. The A27 delivers superior processing power and higher benchmark performance here. Both offer modern software with One UI 8.5, resulting in a solid tie. With a massive 5000 mAh capacity on both sides, it is a clear tie. Both phones support 25-watt charging, making this category completely equal. Expandable storage is available on both devices. It is a tie. Both phones use UFS 2.2 storage speed, giving an equal performance. With 8 GB of RAM on both options, multitasking remains a perfect tie. You get a spacious 256 GB of storage on both, ending in a tie. Both triple camera setups are identical in specs, offering an equal tie. The A27 wins with crisp 4K recording at 30 fps over standard FHD. The A17 wins with a sharper 13MP f/2.0 lens over the 12MP sensor. Both capture front videos at FHD at 30 fps, resulting in a tie. The A27 is more durable with better IP6 for gas and water protection over IP54. Later device includes a legacy headphone jack, marking an equal tie. Both feature a standard Type-C 2.0 port, making it a clear tie. Audio performance is equal, as both models pack mono speakers. The A17 offers better connectivity with Bluetooth 5.3 over 5.1. Contactless payment is available on both devices, leading to a tie. Both secure your data using a responsive side sensor. It is a tie. Both support two SIM cards alongside a SIM capability, creating a tie. Fast connectivity is ensured with 5G and Wi-Fi 5 on both devices, a tie. The other device is much more budget-friendly and wallet-friendly here. With a total score of 29 points, the Samsung A27 wins against the 26 points of the A17.